Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this love cutout that I got from, I believe it was Family Dollar or Dollar General. And I am going to paint the whole thing with an antique white. I'm just painting right over the whole thing. And it kind of has like its own little stand. They may have something similar at Dollar Tree. I'm making sure that I get even the sides and in between all of the letters and the base. So everything is going to be painted in that antique white color. Once I have that all painted, I am going to set it aside and let it finish drying. And I'm going to take this heart that I got at Dollar Tree and this pretty paper from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to take the hanger off the heart, and those little plastic pieces just wouldn't push through, so it's getting cut off. And I am going to just lay my paper on here after I Mod Podge it. So I'm just going to put a good layer of Mod Podge right on my heart. And this is just one of the plain hearts from Dollar Tree. So once I have that all Mod Podged, I am just going to lay my paper right on top of the heart. And then just rub it down with my hands. Smooth it out. And then I'm just going to wait for that to dry as is. And then I'm going to cut around the edges to get closer once it's dry. And then I am going to take my sander and sand off around the extra paper on the edges. And I'm just doing this real quick. And once I have that all sanded and it's all wiped down, I'm going to take my antique wax and go around the whole edge of the heart. Just a little bit. I wanted it to have a little bit of a rustic look and not overpowering because I really liked the paper and I didn't want to wreck the colors in it with too much of that. So next I'm going to take my love sign again and I'm going to sand around all the edges of this also to kind of give it a shabby rustic look. And I went around every letter and just kind of sanded just the edges. And now I am going to take this heart and I'm going to glue it to the back side of this love cutout. So I'm just going to add a bunch of hot glue and then lay it right on my heart, kind of even it out. And I'm kind of have the heart at a tilt. And look at how cute that is. And now I have these 3 burlap flowers that I got in a garland at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to add a pearl to the center of each one. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue and then a pearl that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to do it for all 3 of them. So once I have the pearls all added in, I am going to take them and put them clustered together and hot glue them to the top half of the heart. So as I said, these were on a garland in the his and hers section, the wedding section of Hobby Lobby. So I bought the whole garland. It was a while ago that I got it, and I had a whole bunch of them, so I figured I would use them. So I added those to the top half of the heart. And now I'm going to take some ribbon from Dollar Tree, and it's just a lace ribbon, and I'm going to fold it into a bow shape. And then I am going to thread a key onto a piece of twine and then just wrap that around the bow and tie it into place. So I'm just going to tie that off with a double knot, and then I'm going to cut off that extra twine and trim down my bow to fit, and then just chop off that extra twine. And then I'm going to glue that right between the O and the V on love. Just a little dab of hot glue, put that there. And then I figured I would add a pearl to the center of that bow to match the flowers that I added at the top. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue and add another pearl there. And that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. I love the look of it. I love all the colors. I like how muted it is and neutral colors. I think it turned out really, really cute, and it stands on its own, which I thought was really cool too. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.